Heavy object shifts like subject. If the object is heavier, we also shift it to right words of the sentence. Look at these 79 A and B. You'll give him a sleeping tablet every night. So we have him as indirect object and a sleeping tablet as direct object, and every night is adjunct. You will give him every night 2 sleeping tablets and a glass of milk. So since the object is heavier, so we have moved it to the final position of the sentence. So the sentence 79A has the following pattern: noun phrase as subject, verb phrase, noun phrase, which is indirect object, and another noun phrase which is a direct object, and then we have a noun phrase which is every day, which is an adjunct, or every night. In 79B is the similar, but the direct object NP has now been shifted rightwards to the end of the sentence, to the final position in the sentence. So this is known as heavy object shift. So again, it is a stylistic movement. It is done for the purpose of style, so that the heavier constituent could be moved to the end of the sentence for focus purpose. So NPOD in B is rather long and heavy, and it is exactly such long and heavy object NP which tends to be moved rightwards. Here is another example for PG Wodehouse. Poskett was a man who brought to the tea the tactics which in his youth had won him such fame as a hammer thrower. So you can look at that the heavier object is moved. So in the full example too, the OD has been shifted rightwards. So note that if you replace the heavy object, heavy noun phrase with a preposition, with a pronoun, then there is no need to change the position, right? So there is no need to extrapose it to the end of the sentence. So like subject and like other, we move the heavier constituent of a sentence to the right position, to the final position of a sentence. And here we are talking about the heavy object shift. However, if we replace the heavy object with a pronoun, then there is no need to shift it to the final position of the sentence.